We're making giant banana cookie stuffed with anything that you like. So we're going to start off with brown butter, brown sugar, white sugar, and salt. I'm going to beat this up. Okay, beat this on medium high. Your butter's nice and creamy. Now add your egg. After you add your egg, then your ripe banana. Beat it to nice and creamy. The key to a good baked good is your extract. So this is my favorite brand, Almoretti banana extract and homemade vanilla. You can check my channel. This is real vanilla bean and vodka and have set at least a minimum of 12 months. And I did this last year. If you check out my video, how to make your own vanilla extract. So I'll be using that. And my favorite, a tad of butternut flavoring. Now you can add your banana extract in first. And then a little bit of real vanilla. A little bit go a long way. And a little butternut extract. I also now add my spices, cinnamon and cardamom. If you like nutmeg, you can add that too. And I also like to add my cornstarch and my baking powder in now. Now lastly, we're going to add the flour. Do not overmix. Okay, we're going to mix the rest by hand. You don't want the cookie to overmix, so we're going to mix in the rest of the flour by hand. Okay, it's all done. Now we'll mix the rest of the dough in by spatula. Make sure you get underneath here. Get to the very bottom of the bowl. Turn the dough. The brown butter is going to make this so delicious and fragrant. When you are baking cookies, any type of cookie, if you let the dough rest in the fridge for at least overnight, it will help hydrate the flour and you have better flavoring. So we're going to let this sit overnight. See how sticky the dough is right now? See, it's pretty sticky. So by tomorrow, it will be less sticky. If you need more flour, tomorrow we'll check if we need more flour or not. Now cookie dough, banana cookie dough has set overnight in the fridge. I took it out, let it sit room temperature for 2 hours. And you see the dough compared yesterday, it's not as sticky. So now what we're going to do is, you can stuff it with anything you like. But I have a moon pie here, chocolate moon pie, banana moon pie. I'm going to stuff it with a peanut butter cup on top and then decorate with a mini Milky Way. So pretty much let your imagination run. You can decorate any way you like for decorating on top. We're going to take the moon pie. So I'm going to do big cookies. So I'm just going to cut these in 4. And for the chocolate one, these are double deckers. See, I'm going to cut in 3rds. Now I'm going to stuff the chocolate one with chocolate. I'm going to stuff the banana with peanut butter. I'm going to do the chocolate moon pie first. So these are going to be big cookies. So I'm going to scoop a big cookie for the bottom. Wet your hand and the cookie dough will not stick too much to your hand. We're going to put down moon pie in here. And I'm going to stuff it with 2 more chocolate on the side. And I'm going to use the smaller scoop cookie. And I'm going to form into one big cookie. Now we're going to weigh this out, see how much it weighs. So if you want to do exactly, you can. So wet your hand and press the dough, your cookie dough open, and you stuff with anything you like. So I'm doing 2 Milky Way and a moon pie here. And then you're going to take a smaller dough and put on top. And you want to weigh out each dough ball so your cookie be even. So that way, when you bake it, it'll be even. Okay, I have scooped out and weighed out each cookie dough so it'll be even. You want an even amount of cookie dough so it'll bake evenly. So here's my peanut butter cup and a moon pie. So we're going to wrap it around. Cover it on top. And voila. These are the peanut butter stuffed banana moon pie cookies. If they spread too much, I also have these rings. It's an English muffin ring. You can put it around it if you don't want it to spread out too much. But I'm going to do it without the ring. We'll see. We're going to bake this at 350 degrees for 8 minutes, and then we're going to rotate. Okay, 8 minutes later, looks good. Time to rotate, and it's not spreading too much, so we don't need a ring. See, right here is the hole. Let's push some of the cookie dough up there, so there'll be no hole. Okay, do another 4 minutes and we check it. Okay, 11 minutes up. Let's check it. You don't want to overbake cookie. So you see it's still a little shiny. So we can do another minute. So as long as your cookie, see right here? It's a little shiny right here. Right there. So let's do another 2 minutes. Okay, this looks perfect. Doesn't look shiny anymore. So we can take it out. And you want to let the cookie rest on this hot pan until the pan is cooled down. Now these cookies are stuffed with the chocolate moon pie and the Milky Way. And we have 6 of these. Then we're going to go to 350 degree. And this cookie right here is 5 ounce each. We're going to bake this at 350 and we're going to check and rotate in 8 minutes. 8 minutes up, looking good. Now we just have to rotate and give it another. We're going to give this another 5 minutes. Okay, a total of 14 minutes. And these cookies, oh yes, they are done. See how it's not shiny anymore? Perfect. So we're going to leave this. This cookie is a little bit over 5 ounce, and this cookie here is 4.9 ounce. So this recipe you get around 10 cookies. You want to make them small, you can. The key here is to let these cookies sit on this hot pan until the pan is cool, and then we're not gonna cut into it until 5 hours later, and you will see. Okay, let's take a look at this cookie. The pan is cooled down completely. I can touch it and look at the back. Looks great. It didn't burn. And now you can decorate any way you like, but I like to put some more chocolate on top. You can melt down some chocolate, any chocolate you like. So I'm going to do some white chocolate, and we're just going to pipe it on here. And then I'm going to add a little puddle of chocolate there so it will stick. And then we'll just pipe some chocolate on top. And that looks great. Put some chocolate here so it will stick. Now they look great. All we have to do is wait until the white chocolate drizzle dry, and we can cut them. Okay, they have set out for about only half an hour. These chocolate drizzle dry really quickly, you see. Don't they look so delicious? Okay, we're gonna cut into it. Wow, look at that. This is the chocolate moon pie and the Milky Way. Doesn't that look delicious? And now for the peanut butter one. This is the banana moon pie and the peanut butter cup. Let's see. Look at that. Doesn't that look delicious? Now I like peanut butter, so let's try the peanut butter. Look at this. And you see how it cooked all the way? You just have to let it sit. Probably maybe I cook a little bit less. If you want more moist, if you want to undercook, you can, for cookie, you can underbake it a little bit more. So instead of 14 minutes or 13 minutes, you can do 12 or 12 and a half. It's up to you. It's your oven. Let's taste. Full of flavor, so moist. The brown butter really gives a nice flavor. And then your filling, peanut butter and banana moon pie. What more can you ask for? Bon appetit. See you in the next video.